Okay, so this time instead of having one wheel, we're going to go for 3 wheels. Now these are going to be 3 wheels in a row. So let's go from the start again. So create a sketch, and we want to create a circle. So C for circle, start in the origin and move out to 22.1 millimeters. Okay, I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Now you remember we want to create an offset of about 4 millimeters. Alright, and there's our sketch done. Our simple wheel. We're not doing anything more than that. Now what I'm going to do though is I am going to extrude it. So E for extrude and go up. Now I'm only going to go up this time, and it has to be 7 mil because that's how big our bearings are. Now the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to make 3 rings in a row. So let's just go from a top hide thing. So what I'm going to do is select our object, and I want to right click and go move or copy. See, it comes up here. So we've got different choices, but now we're copying the whole body, not the faces or the component, but whole body. Select what we're going to do. Free move. So I'm going to do free move for a start, but I'm going to go create a copy. You can actually go just translate. We're actually only going over 1. Right. So, and I can bring it out here. Right. Now we want some overlap. Now I'm going to go at 28 millimeters. 28 millimeters. So that way it should be overlap. Okay. You can see then it's overlapping, and we're going to do that again. Right. Now here I'm going to make a copy. So move or copy. Notice it says faces. I actually want to do the whole component. I want to do the whole body. And selected it. And I'm going to translate point to point, whatever. Free move, but we're going to do that. And we're going to move. Oh. Remember, translate the body. Select the body. Create a copy. And what do we say? 28 millimeters. And the last thing I want to do is to join these together. If I go modify and we've got combine, I want to select all 3 of these. Right, so I've got this is the tools. Right, so combine with the target. Let's get rid of that one. So the target is going to be this one, and the tool body is going to be this one and this one. Operation, I want to could insert, but I want to join. Okay. So what you see now is that they are all one thing. Now there is an alternative way of doing this. I'll just, which I think is really cool. So let's go for our sketch again. So this one again will be really quick. Alright, so C, by now you should be quite fluent at this. 22.1. O for offset by, I think it's a 4. Alright, stop sketch, extrude up 7 mil. Okay, so we've got our, this time, see we've created our thing. Now what I'm going to do is go create a pattern, and a horizontal pattern or rectangular pattern. I'm going to make sure it's bodies. I've already selected the body. Directions is going to be here, and you can see now, well, I'm going to go this way actually, and you can see it's going to stretch it out whichever way you want. Right, I want it to be, I want it to be 28, so let's go the other way. All right. Now what it's done, the difference is here it's gone the extent, so it's actually gone from here to here, it's extended 28, but I want that to be the spacing of 28. Right, so you can see we've got back to the other one, and then as we said before, we have to combine those into one body. Go combine, join, okay, and we're done. So creating 3 rings. Now you can stick your fidget spinner, your skateboard ball bearing inside each of these, and it will either spin around one point, or around the middle, and the point, and so on.